Hey, it's Gina and Elsie with WTI. Before I started using this Allergy Asthma Clean, I could not have a cat in the house. I've been using it for about 11 months. That's when we got our sweet baby Elsie. It's been so nice because I can have her inside as much as I want and as much as she wants, especially at night when it can be rainy and dark. And she can even sleep at the foot of our bed without me having any issues anymore. I got the 4-pack concentrate. What I love about this is they're not shipping you a bottle with water in it. You can simply add this to a bottle that you have. I have the bottle that came with a different order, and all you do is add 1 packet to the 32-ounce bottle, fill it to the top with tap water, shake and spray. 1 packet lasts me about 3 months. The science behind this is really quite fascinating. It has an enzyme that dehydrates dander, and it just works really well for me. Now, I'm not a medical professional, so I would suggest you talk to yours before you use this, but for me, it has really worked very well. I spray it on all the surfaces, anywhere that Elsie has slept or spent any kind of time on, and I spray it into the air as well. I spray it on all kinds of fabrics like velvet, cotton, synthetics, and there has been no damage to the fabric at all. We're both so happy that we have this spray because that means that we can spend every moment together, and that's our point of view.